Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best kids makeup sets that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best kids makeup sets. As kids learn by imitating and pretending, playing with makeup can be educational in many ways. Fortunately, you'll have the choice between several types of makeup sets, starting with the more traditional make-believe sets. Number 5. Glamour Girl Pretend Play Makeup Set. Eyeing makeup. They could consider the coolness factor an important part of the game. The fashionable design of this set should make every little fashionista happy. No harmful ingredients included. A variety of products to experiment with. Comes with a matching case. Number 4. Little Cosmetics Pretend Makeup Signature Set. The makeup isn't an optical illusion, nothing actually comes out of the components, so you won't have to worry about a potential allergic reaction. Compact size. Encourages safe, creative play. Materials are of high quality. Number 3. Joy & Toy All-in-One Girls Makeup Set. Best to make sure every component is safe for your kid to use. Unlike many other makeup sets, it meets the requirements of the FDA Food and Drug Administration. Easily washable. This kit has gone through extensive safety tests. The pink powder puffs are too cute. Number 2. BR Glamour Girl Makeup Kit. Most purses, it can easily be transported anywhere. It's dual opening from top and front, allowing easy access to the large variety of eyeshadows. Comes with a wide range of eyeshadow shades. Travel size, easy to carry in a pocket or bag. Built-in mirror. Number 1. Making up my first makeup set. Princess set could be one to consider. This bright fuchsia makeup kit comes with lots of colorful blushes, lip colors, and glittery eyeshadows. It opens from the top, and also from each side, where more bright and pastel colors can be found. Fun expandable design. A wide variety of products to choose from. Safe mirror included. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.